Come here. You want a nice scratch? Hi. Come here, honey. I know you don't like it when I touch your horns. There. Let's get behind your ears. Blondie, don't be mean. Okay? You can give us a baby too, aren't you? Hey, buddy. Hey, Desi. Hi, Desi Pooh. Hi. Oh, yeah. Beautiful girl. Hey, this girl wouldn't even let us pet her when we got her 2 years ago. Hey, now, yeah, you don't mind now, hey? She also gets a little affectionate when she's pregnant, don't you? Don't you, pretty girl? Huh? There's your calf from last year. And give us another baby soon. You gonna give us another baby soon too? Yeah? Hello, little one. Hello. Hi. Hi, Patience. Oh, yeah. Hey, sweetie. Our broken horn heifer, Nina. Her tip broke off last year. Nasty injury, but she did good. Hey, Nina. Hi, baby. Hi. That horn's nice and big, and that horn's so little. Yeah. Hi, my sweet girl.
Come here, handsome. Come here, boy. Handsome. Handsome.